Hi everyone, my name is K. Vamshi. I am from ECD section and my roll number is 20951A04M7. Today I am going to discuss about the Gaussian elimination method, which is a part of mathematics. Let me see the what is Gaussian method and how it is used to solve the homogeneous and non-homogeneous linear equations. First of all, we have to know about what is Gaussian elimination method. It is a method is used for solving the non-homogeneous and homogeneous linear equations. In the Gaussian elimination method, we have to make an augmented matrix of a given m-linear equation in n variables. A system of homogeneous or non-homogeneous linear equations in n variables, or simply a linear system, is a set of m linear equations each in n variable. So we have to solve the equations of homogeneous and non-homogeneous linear equations which are in the form of n variables. Okay, then these are in the type of a linear equation is represented by a1 x1 plus a1 x2 so on, and a1 x and lastly equal to b1 some constant. And following are the another example linear equations, right? So we have to write this equation in the form of ax equal to b. Here b is constant and x is a variable. So we can get an augmented matrix from the following linear equations. We have to take the coefficient of each variable of each linear equation and form as a m into n order in the form of matrix. So we get a equal to a11, a12 and a1 in row, and similarly we have to take n linear equations in the row form. So we get the mn in order form of matrix. Again, x equal to a column matrix of n variables, n xn variables in the order of n into 1, and b is a constant matrix which is a column matrix in the order of m into 1 form. To solve a linear system of linear equation, elementary transformations are used to reduce the augmented matrix to either row echelon form or reduced row echelon form. So reducing the augmented matrix to row echelon form is called Gaussian elimination method. It is like same as to convert a augmented matrix into upper triangular matrix. It is called Gaussian elimination method. So let me see the solving of Gaussian linear equations by using Gaussian elimination method. First, write a augmented matrix from the given linear equations. Obtain the row echelon form of the augmented matrix by using elementary row operation. Write the corresponding linear equations system of equation from the row echelon form. Solve the corresponding linear equations of system of equation by back solution. Let us see the steps involved in the solving the echelon form or augmented matrix. First, we will see a forward elimination. The goal of forward elimination is to transform the coefficient matrix into upper triangular matrix. Let us take an example. A matrix 25 includes 3 by 3 order and the elements here. So by solving we get a upper triangular matrix. Here you can see the example. Let us know the steps involved in the forward elimination method. A set of n equations and n unknowns as a1 x1 plus a2 x2 and so on. We have to take the n linear equations. In step 2, subtract the result from equation 2, like a2 means second row by second row. So we get a2 x2 plus a2 3 x3 and so on equal to b2. And at the end of n minus 1 forward elimination steps, the system of linear equation will look like a1 x1 plus a1 2 x2 plus a1 3 x3 so on equal to b1. Like by solving from above equation, we will get a upper triangular matrix as showing here. So the resultant matrix will be in the form of upper triangular matrix. Here you can see the down elements down to the diagonal are zeros. So this is called a upper triangular matrix. And another step involved is back substitution. Solve each equation starting from the last equation. So here we taken an example of a upper triangular matrix. Let us solve it. So here we have to see the steps in it. A1 x1, let us take a1 x1, a1 2 x2 and so on equal to b1, and similarly a2 x2, a2 3 x3 and so on, and up to ann power n minus 1 xn equal to bn power n minus 1. So start with the last equation because it has only one constant or one unknown value. Then last unknown value xn equal to bn power n minus 1 by ann power n minus 1. So we get the last unknown value. Then by similar way we will get the all the unknown values from showing equation. So let us take an example to solve it in the form of Gaussian elimination method. Let us take a 3 linear equation as x plus y plus 2z equal 9, 2x plus 4y minus 3z equal 1, 3x plus 6y minus 5z equal 0, where it consists of 3 unknown values. Let us take it in the form of argumented matrix. We get 1 1 2 2 4 minus 3 3 6 minus 5, and xyz is a variable matrix and 9 1 0 is a constant matrix, which is in the form of ax equal to b, called argumented matrix. So we call 1 1 2 2 4 minus 3 3 6 minus 5 and 9 1 2 is a argumented matrix. Reducing the argumented, we have to reduce it as a upper triangular matrix. So it includes the following steps. Let us see the steps converting the above matrix into upper triangular matrix. Here R2 minus 2R1 and R3 minus 3R1. So first column and from second row all will become zeros, and next step is to convert second element, second column and remaining rows as 0. So by this we get the here by following these steps R3 minus 3 R2 and next step minus 2 into R3, we can get the corresponding system of equation as x plus y plus 2z equal 9, y minus 7 by 2 z into 17 by 2 and z equal 3. By solving these above 3 equation we will get the x and y and z. Here these 3 values are the unknown values which are the solutions to the given matrix, and it is solved by Gaussian elimination method. So I think you have understood about the solving the given linear equations by using Gaussian elimination method. So thank you all. Have a nice day.